everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, I'm Lipi, and my channel is all about makeup, skincare, and all those jazz. And now today's video is about my 5 favorite products under rupees 500. So if you want to know what are those products, then keep on watching. So, uh, let's start with my favorite, the most favorite product out of this, and that is this Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette. It's Color Icon palettes. They have really beautiful shades in Color Icon range. It cost 499 rupees, but you can also get it on discount during different kind of sales. So wait for sale, you can save up some money. So this particular eyeshadow palette is my favorite because it has warm tones. Sorry, it's about to break. It has cool tone transition shades. It has warm tone shades. It has highlight shade. It has a setting shade. So I really like this palette. It's quite versatile palette, and you cannot go wrong with this palettes because you can create a dramatic look, you can create a smoky look, also you can create a simple daily nude look as well with this. So the next product is this beautiful blush. This is a Sugar Cosmetics mini blush in the shade Mauve Marble. It's a really beautiful mauve shade. It looks really stunning on all skin types. I feel because you can mute it down, you can build it up, and this looks really stunning. And the pigmentation is also really beautiful, and it's quite blendable as well, as you guys can see. Next is another blush, which is Pack Cosmetics Cream Blush. During this time of the year, winters and everything, when skin is really dry or so, like that, I prefer using all cream based product because basically I am from the dry combination skin leaning towards dry, so I prefer using all the cream based products. And this particular shade and blush from Peck Cosmetics is one of my favorite cream blushes. As you guys can see, I have used quite a bit of it. It's very creamy and it blends really well, and it sets to a powder finish, which is really good because it does not dry out your cheeks and those area, and it does not move any of the foundation and such things which you have applied on your face. It works really amazing, and this cost 450 rupees. You guys can see it tinted my hands as well. Now let's talk about eyes. This is my really favorite liquid eyeshadow. I could find just this shade right now. I have quite a few shades from this range. This is Swiss Beauty's liquid eyeshadow. It costs 199 rupees. And if you are buying it from local store or somewhere else, you can get it cheaper. But it's the quality of it is really stunning. It's such a beautiful shade. This is a pure gold shade, and during this festive season, I'm sure everyone is going to love this shade. Next is this Color by Eye Glide eye pencil. It's very similar to Nykaa's colored pencils. It's really beautiful shade they range they have, and moreover I love it because it's very creamy. But it sets for such a long time, I tell you. uh, this is the shade I'm having this shade. It's an amethyst shade, this kind of a purple shade. I have quite a few shades of this. I have this amethyst, I have the green shade, and I also have the black because This is such a pencil that it once it sets. You have to use particular eye makeup remover to remove this pencil. It does not budge, and moreover, it doesn't water my eyes because I have quite a sensitive eyes. So, as per my preference, I love this pencil, and it is 550 rupees, but Color Bar always runs some or other discounts on Nykaa and Amazon and Purple. So you can buy it under 500 during the sale. And last but not the least, this is the Lit Liquid Lipstick from My Glam. This is the shade R Bomb. I don't prefer liquid lipstick that often, but this particular range is a good kind of a range. It doesn't dry out my lips, it stays really good on my lips. And this particular shade has been my go to Zoom meeting calls or any such kind of calls when I have to uh, l- apply lipstick and look presentable. This particular lipstick has come very handy. It's a pure brown nude. See, it's really pretty shade. You guys can see it's quite a pretty shade. I really love this kind of shade. It's really beautiful to use it on its own. Just one thing is that it is going to suit a medium to light skin tone. It will wash out the duskier skin tone girls. So this costs 395 rupees, I guess. Yeah, this costs 395 rupees. And it's available on MyGlam's own app and also on Nykaa. So you guys can check this out if you really want to try out a really good liquid lipsticks. This is one of it. And yeah, instead of five, I have already shown you six of my favorite of products. You can count it this one exceptional. So yeah. If you really like this kind of my reviews, and keep on watching and subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon, hit the like, comment, share, all that jazz. It's free of cost to you, but it means a lot to me. So yeah, bye, see you in my next one.